Dakinis are usually female, and they have many different types of looks and appearances. I will talk about the Dakinis from the Hiruka and Vajrayogini Tantra. Some of the Dakinis have animal faces. Kidongma, dog face. Padongma, pig face. Udongma, owl face. Domdongma, bear face. Some of the Dakinis, this side is green, this side is red. Some of the Dakinis, this side is white, this side is green. Some of the Dakinis have 4 arms. Some of the Dakinis have 2 arms. Some of the Dakinis, the face are very fierce. Highly attained Dakinis, they are actually Buddhas. So what happens is, Dakinis exist in millions and millions and millions. When a tantric practitioner calls Dakinis to come, they're messengers. They're like angels. The Dakinis come to pass a message, sometimes to give an initiation, sometimes to give a dharma talk, sometimes to tell you, give you a warning. They can come in dreams, they can come in visions, they can come during the time where you're half asleep, half awake. The Dakinis come, we pray to them. Please clear my drops and my channels and my winds so that I can do my practice. So when the Dakinis come, they bless you. All your channels become clear. So whatever meditation you do, very quick, very fast. The higher Dakinis never harm, they never damage. These higher Dakinis stay in 24 power places in our world. When you call them by mantra and ritual, they come immediately. When they come, they bless you, they bless the people and the environment. A sign of a blessing of a Dakini is your mind will be geared more towards Dharma practice. Your mind will have faith in your Guru. Your mind will have faith in positive, wonderful practices and thoughts. So when you think positively, you do positive things, you're very happy. That's a sign of a blessing of a Dakini.